welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all having a great day. So for today's video I'm going to be doing another Geek Gear World of Wizardry unboxing for you. So I've got the box right here. They have changed the packaging. It's a blue one this time. It's a bit different. I did kind of prefer the suitcase looking one of last month, but it's still quite a nice box. It's not all about the box, it's about what's inside the box. So before we open this up, be sure to like the video, subscribe to my YouTube channel and leave me a nice comment, and let's get into this. Let's just open it up. So the inside is just plain. It's gone really basic, the packaging, the box on the outside. We still have the same blue tissue paper. First off is a t-shirt. It's a nice grey t-shirt and it's got a lovely image of Hedwig on it. I think that's really, really nice. You could definitely wear this out and about without people realising it's Harry Potter, but devout fans will obviously know that this is Hedwig. So it's a really, really nice print of Hedwig on a nice grey background. It's super, super soft. This actually looks like a very long t-shirt, so quite nice to wear with leggings, or like I do, wear them to bed. So that's the first item. I do actually really like that. Very, very nice. Very, very soft. Next we have this. What is this? Oh, okay, it's a pillowcase. Okay, so we have a pillowcase and on it has loads of the Death Eater masks. So that's quite cool. It feels like quite a tough fabric. You know, the sort of fabric you have on outside patio furniture. It sort of feels like that, so you probably could like keep this outside for summer. It's quite a small pillow, but you know, it's still a nice case, good quality one, so that's cool. Next we have this box. This is what it looks like, quite a thin one. So let's open this up. Okay, we've got more Death Eater items. Right, so this is a scarf, a black see-through Death Eater scarf. Don't know whether you'll be able to see that, but you can see all of the masks on it all throughout the scarf. It's quite a long one as well, so let's see. How would we do this? Does it go with my outfit? Yes, it doesn't feel exactly soft. It's quite a plasticky, synthetic-y kind of material, but it's quite a nice accessory. So that's that one. Another Death Eater item. Okay, next we have this long box. It's the same packaging as the other one with the little animals and different colours and things like that. But I think this might be another wand, because the past two boxes we had little boxes like this and they all turned up to wands. So I believe this is another wand. Oh, okay, so this is quite a hefty wand. It's quite nice actually. Okay, so this is what it looks like. You can sort of see at the end here that it has like a really nice textured handle and then like some little stumpy bits here. It's a really nice dark handle and then like a reddish brown wood for the end. It feels really, really weighty. I don't know whose wand this is. I don't know. We'll have to wait until the end of the box when we get the leaflet so we can figure out which wand it is. But I actually really like this. This is why I like these boxes, because you get wands and I love collecting wands. So super happy with this. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Okay, next item we have a lanyard. Okay, so we have a lanyard. It's blue and it has the Ravenclaw birds on it, and on the inside it says Ravenclaw. It's quite thick, quite chunky, it's quite nice. At the bottom we have sort of like a keyring metal medallion of Ravenclaw crest, and we also inside have a, what is this? I think it's a sticker, isn't it? Yeah, I think it's a sticker. Includes a collectible sticker. So that's quite a practical item, I think. Quite useful to have a lanyard, I think. So that's that. And it's got a clip here as well that you can unclip. So yeah, cool. Okay, so we have a recipe. We have cauldron cupcakes. These look delicious. They look so good. I really want to make some of these recipes that we are given. I might see if I can like make them and film them for you and do like a taste test. But this looks really, really nice. I actually do really want to make these. They look so good. I could eat them right now, to be honest with you. Okay, and we have another recipe. This one is for a spicy love potion, as you can see here. Nice pink bubbly lemonade-y kind of thing. It says you can use strawberries, ginger, peppercorns, sugar, citric acid and water. So sounds tasty. It looks like a really nice drink to have like on a summer's day with the ice in it. Oh, lovely. We also have a print that I can never get out. Okay, so next we have a print of Luna Lovegood in her big hat. Her big lion hat that she wore to the Quidditch game. It's actually a really nice print. I would actually love to own one of these hats. I wonder how long it would take to make one of these hats. It looks so complicated to make. I would love to make one of those. I am leaving all my prints in the cellophane and they are all up here in the corner. You can kind of see a couple of them here. I'm like lining the wall with them. So this is definitely going to go up on my wall. Yeah. Okay, anything else? No. That's it for the box. So lastly we have the leaflet that explains everything. So you can get the Hogwarts house lanyard for $7.99 on the Geek Gear shop. So that's $7.99. I believe you can get the exclusive scarf for $11.99 if you're interested. You can get the cushion here for $9.99. The print of Luna in the lion hat is $4.99. The owl t-shirt, which is one of my favourites from the box, you can get for $9.99. And the wand, which it says here, it doesn't actually say whose wand this is, but you can get the wand for $11.99. I think I really want to know whose wand this is, so I'm going to quickly have a look in my wand collection book and see if I can find it. Let's have a look. And if you're interested, this is my wand collection hardback book. It's got all the wands in the wizarding world listed, and I got this for Christmas from my boyfriend, so I have no idea where you get it from. I'm sorry. Okay, I found the wand. Here it is in my wand book. Can you see that there? It looks exactly like this one. Can you see? Sort of. It is Fred Weasley's wand. So that's so cool. I haven't got a Weasley brother wand yet, or any of the Weasley family for that matter. So that is awesome. We have Fred Weasley's wand. So this book is very handy. So yeah, this is without doubt my favourite item we got in the box this month. So if you are interested in getting one of these boxes for yourself, I will leave the link below in the description box of where you can get one and subscribe to them. I do believe Geek Gear have loads of different subscription boxes that you can get from Marvel, probably DC, you can get Health and Beauty ones, you can get all sorts. So that's it for this video. I hope you all enjoyed watching this video as well. Please like the video and subscribe down below to my YouTube channel for more unboxings of these Geek Gear boxes. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!